Which are the charts that are looking good right now? Kunal is here with the Chartbuster. Then Kunal, which one is it?
So that's NTPC, and interestingly, the stock, which we discussed, of course, in the morning also, that the stock is at the verge of a breakout of its very strong resistance point or 200 day moving average. Now, in the previous leg, when the stock was going through a correction from 440 odd levels, which where the stock made a high closer to that 300 mark, but there were multiple supports for the stock. We see this critical moving average line for NTPC. This became the deciding point for the stock in the near to medium term in terms of trends. Now, when the stock had broken below this 200-day moving average, which was around the 370 odd mark for NTPC, post that we saw almost like a 20% correction into the stock. Now, what's happened is after the phase of correction, then a sideways consolidation, we are now seeing the stock coming back into a breakout of this long-term moving average. This could be a critical inflection point for the charts for NTPC. And if we go by with the previous historical trends at how the stock has behaved and it's given a breakout above its long-term averages, we are looking at a turn of event as well as a change of trend for NTPC. And from here on, over the next 3 to 6 months, we could be looking at the stock retesting the previous highs of 440 plus for NTPC.
Right, so that's NTPC. Naresh, what about you? Which is a stock or chart that is looking attractive according to you right now?
So it's a chart for Godrej Agrovet. The stock has shown a lot of relative strength by not correcting over the last 4 months, holding on to that 700 mark as a support. Now, this was the breakout the stock saw, which was the high back in 2021. And it has been holding on a good base made here. In the short term, the stock has also given a breakout above the 780 mark and good volumes in the last 2 sessions. Indicates that the stock could be a leadership stock, head up to new all-time highs. I would expect a target price of 1,000 rupees plus in the short to medium term. Stop loss to be kept at 750.
Let's talk some trading ideas as well then, Kunal. What's on your list?
So 2 buy calls. The first one is about SBI cards, and after almost like a 2 to 3 weeks of consolidation, making a breakout case over here. So would suggest a buy with a target of 910. Stop loss could be kept at 850. And the second would be a buy on IEX. That's a chart which is looking attractive, heading towards a trendline breakout. So would suggest a buy with targets of 186, revising the stop loss higher to 174.
Right. Naresh, what about your stock strategies?
So first would be a buy on IEX, a good breakout stock, good momentum over the last 3-4 sessions. The stop loss at 174, target price of 190. Second is a buy on Bajaj Finserv. The stock is on verge of a cup and handle breakout, sustaining about 1920, opens up a move towards 2100. Stop loss at 1870.
Right, so those are the picks coming in from both of our experts. IEX being a consensus call coming in from Kunal as well as Naresh.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.